Hi, welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will explain how to create user-defined fields. You can create fields of your choice and define them as per your requirements like qualification, total experience, etc. These fields will be reflected in the employee master and the employee onboard import sheet and manage forms or letters. Employees will be able to view the same in their ESS login as well. On the home page, click Transactions. Under Core HR, click User Defined Fields. Click Create User Defined Fields under Configure. You need to update the details, the first one being name of the field. Enter the name of the UDF like qualification, total experience, previous employee details, etc. Select the type of control, that is if you want text box or drop-down list. Text box is if the UDF is just a header. Drop-down list is if the UDF has multiple values. Select the data type, which is again alphanumeric or numeric. Maximum length. This refers to the length of the characters a text box can have. For example, if you enter 10, then the field is restricted to entering less than 10 or equal to 10 characters. If the field name should be unique, enable this option is unique. Shown in FFS. Enable this box if the UDF must be shown in the full and final settlement process. Is mandatory at admin. Enable the checkbox to make this UDF a mandatory field for the admin when creating the employee record or onboarding. Is mandatory at ESS. This field will reflect in others in the employee self-service portal. Is employee editable. Enabling this option allows employees to edit the values in the UDF fields in the employee ESS login. Show to employee. This UDF can be restricted for employee access, but once you enable this field, it will enable the employee to view it in their ESS login, that is the employee self-service. Show an ad hoc report filter. Enabling this checkbox will help the user use UDF as a filter in reporting. Show and mail merge. Check the box if you require the field to be part of your mail merge document. Applied branches. UDF can be restricted to a branch or made applicable to all. There is an option to select the branch for which this UDF is relevant, and by default, if unchecked, the UDF applies to all branches. Once you have updated the fields, click Save. All the UDFs created will be displayed, and if you want to view or edit, please click on View or Edit and make the necessary changes. You also have the option to delete the UDF if not required. If you wish to change the order of how the UDFs must be displayed, click Order to arrange the UDF fields. Select the UDF and move it to the right table. On the right side, use the arrow keys to move and place UDF fields in order. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.